Looking for the best motorcycle tires to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get Number 5. Michelin Road 6. And it's a commuter's dream. Whether you're navigating traffic, cruising on the highway, or taking a detour on twisty back roads, the Road 6 handles everything with ease. Michelin didn't just make small improvements here, they completely revamped the tread patterns, used a more adaptive compound, and improved water evacuation channels. The result is a significant boost in wet grip and all-weather reliability, making it perfect for year-round riders. Comfort is another big plus. The Road 6 absorbs road bumps better than many competitors, which is a huge help when you're riding daily on routes that aren't always smooth. Thanks to Michelin's 2CT Plus technology, which uses a dual compound setup, the center is reinforced for durability while the sides stay grippy for cornering. It transitions smoothly from upright to leaned over without feeling unstable, making it ideal for urban riding. As for the price, it's around $180 for the front tire and $250 for the rear, depending on size and where you buy it. While it's not the cheapest option, the reliability and comfort are well worth the cost, especially since you won't need to replace them as often. If you rely on your bike for daily commuting, the Michelin Road 6 is a great choice to keep your ride smooth and worry-free. Number 4. Bridgestone Batleaks Hypersport S22. And this is the ultimate jack of all trades. Whether you're carving corners on the weekend or just riding to the office during the week, the S22 can handle it all. Bridgestone designed this tire to walk the line between street usability and sporty performance, and they nailed it. It's fast, responsive, and confidence-inspiring on dry pavement, but also handles itself surprisingly well in the wet. This is the tire you grab when you don't want to swap between track day and daily ride rubber. The grip levels here are honestly impressive, especially considering how versatile it is. The high silica rubber compound and updated tread design allow for better cornering stability and traction across a wide range of conditions. You'll feel locked in on the curves, but you won't get punished with rapid wear. It's comfortable enough to ride for hours, and it doesn't get noisy at highway speeds either. So, if you're looking for a tire that adapts to whatever your day throws at you, urban riding, spirited backroad runs, or just a laid-back cruise, the S22 delivers across the board. As for pricing, expect to pay around $160 for the front and $230 for the rear. Not bad at all for a tire that gives you this much versatility, whether you're rocking a middleweight sport bike or something a little bigger. The Batleaks S22 fits right in and performs like it costs a lot more than it actually does. If you only want to run one set of tires year-round, this one's definitely in the conversation. All right, coming in hot. Number 3. Pirelli Diablo Rosso 4. And if you like to push your bike to the edge, this tire is going to be your new best friend. It's designed with track performance in mind, but it's still totally rideable on the street, which is honestly a pretty rare combo. The front and rear profiles are tuned for precision, so the feedback you get mid-corner feels almost telepathic. When you're leaned over, it doesn't feel nervous or unstable, it just sticks. You'll feel like a pro racer, even if you're just doing your favorite twisty route on the weekend. Now, what's really cool here is how Pirelli uses a dual compound rear that's got a slick-style shoulder. That means you get that sticky race tire feeling without sacrificing the durability you need for road use. And it warms up quickly, too, so even if you're just commuting or doing short stints, the grip comes in fast, the braking stability is top tier, and the tire maintains consistent performance throughout its life. If you're someone who occasionally hits the track, but doesn't want to switch tires every time, this one makes the transition seamless. When it comes to price, the Rosso 4 runs around $170 for the front and $250 for the rear. Yes, it's more of an investment, but you're getting serious performance in return. If you ride aggressively or want to step up your cornering game without dealing with slicks or full race tires, this one is a no-brainer. It's one of those rare tires that truly earns its hype, and once you try it, you won't want to go back. Sliding into the Number 2. Continental Conti Road Attack 4. AKA the most comfortable tire you're going to find. Seriously, this thing is built for riders who care about mileage, stability, and smooth handling more than lap times. Don't get me wrong, it can handle a curve just fine, but this is the tire that's going to keep your back and wrists happy on those longer rides, from freeway cruising to twisty touring roads. The Conti Road Attack 4 gives you a plush ride without sacrificing confidence. What really makes this tire stand out is Continental's Unique multi-grip tech. It's a single compound that behaves like multiple ones, harder in the center for long wear and softer on the sides for grip. You don't get those harsh transitions between zones like with some dual compound tires. Plus, Continental's Rain Grip Silica blend means it handles bad weather like a champ. The contact patch stays planted even on wet pavement, and the tire warms up quickly, so you're not skidding around while waiting for it to come alive. Cost-wise, you're looking at around $175 for the front and $245 for the rear. It's not the cheapest touring tire out there, but it justifies every penny with how smooth and confidence-inspiring it is. If you're someone who racks up serious mileage or just wants a tire that feels luxurious and planted on the road, the Conti Road Attack 4 is a fantastic choice. It turns every ride into a chill experience, and sometimes that's exactly what we're after. And Number 1. Dunlop SportSmart 4 Malawian Quatches. Taking the crown as the best overall motorcycle tire is the Dunlop SportSmart 4 Malawian Quatches. This tire is the total package. It's got high-performance DNA, street versatility, and the kind of durability that keeps you from swapping rubber every few months, whether you're ripping through mountain passes, dealing with sketchy urban roads, or just doing a Sunday cruise. The 4 Malawian Quatches delivers consistent grip and feedback that makes every ride more fun. It's Dunlop's flagship sport tire for a reason. It just performs. What's cool is that Dunlop didn't just throw a bunch of buzzwords at this thing. The SportSmart 4 Malawian Quatches features a multi-tread rear compound in their dynamic front formula, which makes the bike feel sharper under braking and more stable in fast corners. It transitions beautifully and stays predictable, even under aggressive riding, and despite being performance-focused, it doesn't wear out super fast, which is a huge bonus if you ride often. Wet grip is also improved over the previous 3 Malawian Quatches, so you can ride with confidence even if the weather takes a turn. It's designed to offer sport-level handling on the road without forcing you to compromise on comfort or everyday usability. That's a pretty rare combo. Pricing is about $180 for the front and $260 for the rear. Yes, it's premium, but honestly, it feels like a steal considering how well it performs in almost every category. It's sporty without being twitchy, stable without being dull, and responsive without being harsh, even on longer rides. You won't find it fatiguing. If you want one tire that does it all and does it well, this is it. The SportSmart 4 Malawian Quatches isn't just good, it's the benchmark, and for a lot of riders, it'll be the tire they compare everything else